Today I'm going to show you how to screen print a two-color design using Cricut Design Space, and we're going to do this without using registration marks. If you're a beginner, you might want to check out my beginner multicolor tutorials first to get a better feel for this process. I'll link to those below. Once you've got the hang of that, this is a shortcut that will work on a lot of your two-color projects. First, I'm going to pick my image from Design Space. Next, I'm going to add my own text around it. For this one, I'm going to use the curve feature and wrap my text around the circle. Once I have that all set up the way I want it to look on my shirt, I am ready to start the next step. This is what I call my dot trick. I use this to help me line up my screen on my shirt. It takes the guesswork out of where to place your screen down on your shirt. So if this is the first time you're seeing this trick, you might want to head over to my blog and find out why I use this extra step and my suggestions on how spacing and alignment works. So once I get this all set up and everything is centered, I am going to make a duplicate. The design on the left is going to be the vinyl I used for my green ink, and the design on the right is going to be used for the blue ink. So on the green design, I want to remove all the blue layers, and then on this blue design, I'm going to remove all the green layers. Now here's where my trick comes in. Instead of hiding all of the green pieces, I'm actually going to keep two of the green hearts. So I'm going to click on the green layer and click on contour, and then I'm going to hide all contours. Then I'm going to go back and unhide two of the hearts. I'm just going to select two hearts at random, and then I'm going to go back and take a look at it. And you'll notice that that bottom right one is a little bit close to the blue. I want them to be a little bit further apart, so I'm going to go back here and change that to a different one of these hearts. And now they're further away from where the blue ink is going to go. I'm going to cut these two green hearts with my blue layer. The green ink is going to go on the shirt first, and then I'm going to be able to use these two spots to line up my blue layer on top of the green. After my vinyl cuts here, I'm going to show you exactly how this works. So the last step is to highlight all of the blue layer and attach them. And then I'm going to do the same with the green layer. Click attach. This way I'm going to get two vinyl cuts. The first one is going to be for my green ink, and the second one is going to be for my blue ink. Now I'm going to speed things up and show you exactly how the two layers line up.